Maxima USA. Can we see that thing? We got that in the shot. The giant SC1.
Yeah. It's
cardboard.
It's behind Paul right now.
So yeah, thanks to the guys for sending that over.
Did you
SC1 new bike in a can?
Did you get that from your work bay at Yamaha, or did they send it to you?
They sent it to me. Yeah,
okay,
yeah.
okay.
It was my #1 goal for prepping bikes. Maxima USA SC1 PulpMX 20 is the code to save at MaximaUSA.com. Their 4-stroke engine oils are designed to ensure ultimate performance while providing maximum protection under the most severe MX and off-road conditions. They got their new Peak system additive for the oil. They got 927, #1 selling performance 2-stroke oil in most markets around the world. I love the SC1. Paul, what do you like? Maxima.
I like everything they make, honestly.
Yeah, it's good.
Everything. Did you see the little grip tech thing I put on my Instagram?
Yeah.
With brake cleaner?
I never knew that, and I'm embarrassed to say that.
It allows rubber to slide. Like, so when you spray the top of the grip and you pull the flange, it allows the rubber. It's like lube.
Okay.
Everything's better with lube.
I put grips on with contact cleaner. I do
put them on with it.
Yes, I do.
Oh,
I've been doing that for years.
I never do that.
You got to be careful because it'll eat the end if you spray too much. But just a psh, psh, on each side of the grip, slide it on, it evaporates, wire it up.
No glue.
No glue.
Really?
I've done that forever.
And you don't spin them?
Never. But I didn't. Oh, you wire them, of course.
Right.
But I did not realize you could also, it permeates the rubber and it allows it to come off. I didn't know that.
It doesn't permeate it. It just makes it slippery. It makes it slip along itself.
Well, no, it's got to permeate it to the bar to make it pull off that easy.
It's not contacting the bar.
But it's going through the rubber.
No, it's not.
Of the grip. Well, then why else is it so easy to pull off?
Because it slides on itself. When you grab a grip and you try to pull it off, it's super tacky because it's rubber on rubber.
Because you're grabbing it from the flange.
Yeah, it's rubber on rubber. But if you spray it with contact cleaner, it's essentially like a lube, and it just makes that sucker slip right off, and you could turn it inside out and reuse it even.
Yeah, see, I thought it was permeating the rubber and getting onto the bar, allowing, like, okay, so because I put them on.
Yeah.
I use contact cleaner as lube for grips.
Wow.
And it evaporates and you're good to go.
Maybe we should put contact cleaner in the bedroom.
I never thought of that. Oh, can you imagine?
Kiefer. Call up Kiefer.
Yeah, let's get Kiefer to test that first. So Maxima USA, Pulp20 is the code to save with those guys. ProFilter as well, profilter.com. The Bullfrog Spas Honda team uses ProFilter among other people. So profilter.com, Pulp20 is the code to save with them. Air filter, oil filter. They got the throwaway ones. They got the regular ones that you can wash and everything else. Sold through Power Sports dealers nationwide. Pick up an easy pre-oiled, ready-to-use premium air filter, oil filter, your next service. Dirt bikes, street bikes, side-by-sides, everything in between. Pulp20 at code is the checkout at ProFilter and Maxima.